Cancer, hi, welcome to Mr. Queen PH. At ito ang inyong energy update for January 16 to 31, 2025. If you're interested in private readings, meron tayong link sa description at sa pinned comment. Paka-check nyo na lang information kung paano mag-book for a private reading. And please subscribe to our channel to show your support, like, share this video, at comment na rin kayo kung kayo ay naka-resonate. And thank you sa mga hindi nagsaskip ng ads. Okay, let's see Cancer. What's up? Energy update, January 16 to 31. Okay, you have the third house. This is Capricorn. Uy, Jupiter and Capricorn in the third house. Third house is about your communication, your learning, and Jupiter is there. So, marami kang options, opportunities para mag-aral, mag-improve ng knowledge mo, ng skill set mo, ng abilities mo. And I think ito ay magiging very beneficial sa career mo, sa trabaho mo, and sa business mo. So, take that opportunity. Grab that opportunity kasi maraming potentials, maraming possibilities for you. You might be exploring new ways to earn money. Pwedeng sa social media, content creation, writing, teaching for some of you. So, pwede nyong pagkakitaan. Some of you will also have new friends, new connections that will be beneficial. That will be beneficial sa iyong career, sa iyong business. So, sabi nga your network is your net worth. So, the more na maraming nakakilala sa'yo, mas marami kang influence, mas maraming opportunities to expand your horizon, to expand your finances, your career, your business. Okay, so let's see what else for Cancer. You have Judgment, Four of Pentacles, Ace of Cups, Four of Wands, Three of Swords. Ooh, okay. Okay. So, you have the Judgment, which is about rebirth, bagong ikaw. So, I think you are reinventing yourself. So, maaring may mga changes kang ginagawa sa sarili mo, sa mindset mo. This can be physical. Meron kang ini-improve sa sarili mo to gain more confidence. Some of you are also changing your mindset pagdating sa pera, pagdating sa pagmamanage ng inyong finances, ng inyong income. Iniiwasan nyo muna na mag-spend ng pera ng unnecessary, yung mga hindi naman kailangan. Hindi nyo na yan pagkakagastusan. Some of you naman are, ang hirap nito kasi, yung iba, galing pa lang kayo sa healing process and then maari kasing minamadali nyo to get into a relationship na parang yung iba kasi feeling nila mas madaling makamove on if there is someone na bago sa buhay nila romantically. And for some of you, no, hindi naman para sa lahat, kaya lang maaring instead na makapag-heal kayo is lalo pang madagdagan yung heartbreak. Oo, I see someone kasi rito na you are expecting too much from this person pero hindi pala niya kayang ibigay yung expectations na meron ka sa kanya. And it might end up sa separation or, challenges sa relationship or connection. So, if you're resonating with this, na galing ka pa lang sa breakup, I suggest na iwasan mo muna yung getting into a relationship or kung talagang hindi mo maiiwasan, kilalanin mo muna, no? If there is someone new na merong interest, romantic interest sa'yo. Okay? To protect yourself, to protect your energies. You have Mars and Cancer in the fourth house. Some of you pwedeng magkaroon ng challenging situation pagdating sa inyong family member or pwedeng parents, pwedeng meron kang mga decisions or mga bagay na ginawa na hindi na intindihan ng parents mo or someone within the family na might create conflict. You also have Saturn and Pisces in the 12th house, which is about losses. So, I see someone here na pwedeng aalis sa poder ng parents niya because of a misunderstanding. Pwede rin namang this is about a relationship na meron ka na you are together with this person, whether kasal kayo or hindi, but I see na magkasama kayo, you are living together. And it will end up with a choice, no? So you may be ending this relationship or situation na you feel like it's no longer, parang hindi na siya worth it na ipaglaban. Some of you will find comfort sa isang kaibigan, someone na nandyan para sa'yo. This can be a family member as well that you treat as your friend as well, no? Or parang kaibigan mo na, parang turing mo na kapamilya na rin. You have the Sun in Libra in the 7th house. This is about clarity in your relationships and partnerships. Na kumbaga, marirealize mo na minsan kailangan natin mag-isa. Kailangan natin matuto na maging, independent, na hindi lagi nating mahahanap ang happiness sa ibang tao. Minsan kasi, maling tao na yung dumarating. Kaya lang minsan pinipilit natin na baka siya yung magbigay ng happiness na yan. But sometimes, hindi ganon. Hindi ganon yung situation. So, kailangan mo na rito na mag-heal completely until such time na ready ka na para hindi na to mag-create ng any challenge or frustration sa relationship. So, anything na pinaghirapan mo, in-effortan mo, trinabaho mo, you will receive or you will reap the rewards, okay? You will also have this inspiration to start something new, to explore opportunities, mapa-career man yan, friendship, or bagong path na gusto mong tahakin sa buhay. And you will also have a lot of energies to keep going with this journey. No, ipagpapatuloy mo yung journey na kinalalagyan mo ngayon. So, sa money, career, finances, you have educator and present. So, some of you very talented kayo pagdating sa pagtuturo, pag-share ng knowledge and skills ninyo. So, maaring kayo ay isang teacher or a mentor, coach, trainer, and you will receive rewards sa sinishare ninyo na abilities. Also have the Two of Pentacles. Yung iba, multiple sources of income, meron kayo. And also, magiging maingat rin kayo sa mga papasukin yung negosyo or career. You will make sure na alam nyo yung agreement na meron kayo, yung kontrata na pinapasok nyo. Kasi minsan, di ba, pirma lang tayo ng pirma. Tapos, hindi pala natin alam, may mga certain clause pala na kailangan natin alam, na hindi natin alam, na eventually, mahapahamak pala tayo, di ba? Oh, new love talaga. Patience. Oh, biglang patience. Okay, Cancer. So, if you are looking for a new relationship, new love, you have to be patient. Una-una, hindi naman yan bigla na lang darating sa'yo. Or, may mga times na biglang darating, no? Pero kailangan pa rin na idaan mo siya sa proseso. Get to know this person, wag mong madaliin. Enjoy mo yung process, enjoy mo yung journey. And eventually, you will realize kung talagang you want this person sa buhay mo o hindi. Uy, the Tower. The Tower is about releasing the things that are no longer serving you. Okay? So, yung iba sa inyo, this is the energy ng past. Na para makapag-heal kayo, you have to completely remove that energy ng past. And be able to take care of yourself, take care of your needs. And eventually, maa-attract mo yung person na talagang para sa'yo. Okay? To become that version na gusto mo. So, you're going to be someone na gusto mo para sa sarili mo. Okay? So, yun din yung maa-attract mo. And someone na talagang may pagpapahalaga sa'yo. Oo. Give and take relationship. Ooh, love approaches unexpectedly. Oh my God. So, maaaring nga merong unexpected love coming in para sa inyo. Like what I said kanina, hindi kailangan madaliin. Enjoy the process. And continue to get to know the person, spend more time with this person, and be more authentic. Na minsan kasi, we're expecting too much sa isang tao na we want this person to be this kind of person. Pero, ibang tao yan eh. So, you have to really get to know. And pag nakilala mo na, dun ka na mag-decide kung gusto mong mag-move forward with this person. Okay? So, that is your reading, Cancer. Thank you so much. See you again.